It's been phenomenal.
It's been invaluable.
It has been really a great experience for me personally.
It's incredible how this course has really filled the gaps.
50, 100 times more confident in all things implant.
I think the first course, the hands-on with the lab and suturing, that part was really helpful. But I think if you tackle just the first course, I think you understand the value.
No, I mean, I think 100% of the ROI is worth it. You cannot put a value of being in the room with these minds. And like I said, just in the past few months, I have added so many procedures in my own practice that, boosted my production enough to really pay for the course.
Suturing skills, breaking it down different ways, the various grafting techniques have definitely expanded what I was doing, and just quality of outcomes, I will say, has been a lot better.
By the end of Module 4, it almost felt like going through a one-year postgraduate residency or program where we got a lot of experience with hands-on, working on pig jaws, working on models, working with lots of different types of materials, implants, graft materials. My confidence, especially with the suturing techniques as well, has tremendously gone up from day one to the end of this fourth module.
It really opens your eyes to all of the things that you should be looking at, all of the different implications and do's and don'ts and why. And then there's practical. I would say that's another huge part of the course, is it's very practical. But then it's also heavily backed up by research and tons of years of experience from the clinicians. So I can't say that enough. The confidence is through the roof.
I've done a lot of the prestigious courses out there, and nothing compares, in my opinion, to what Dr. Pikos and them are offering here, and just their knowledge level and their ability to help you and walk beside you hand in hand to grow as a practitioner, and it's been wonderful.